I have determined that two of you are secretly aliens.
Kiwi, why you so far? You
Please look at
Yeah,
your
they-
device and confirm your identity.
I
Your
know.
device can tell you if you're a human
Oh, I
or
know.
an alien, but not the identities of your fellow players.
You sus, bro.
Unfortunately, aliens will know who their compatriots are, so
I'm the
you'll
only
be
girl?
at a bit of a disadvantage, humans.
I saw Kiwi.
Okay.
By my calculations, you will have 15 minutes before I cease
not
to
18,
be,
man.
so I'd appreciate it if you could figure out who the aliens are, and then push
Oh.
the button.
Push it. Push it.
You haven't tested Bing Hong, eh?
Deliberation deck. Humans will be given a difficult decision and must choose which answer seems
Oh my god, you got
appropriate
4
to
hacks,
them.
bro.
Aliens will see no dilemma and must choose their answers
You have
blindly.
hacked 4 people,
Only
what the
who
fuck?
sees the full statement.
What the fuck is
Aliens
that?
may have to
Idiot.
justify their random selection or face suspicion.
Sus, eh?
And the human prompt was... A
You-
man is arrested for robbing the rich and giving to the poor. He should be...
Are you?
Do
Oh,
anything seem
Great.
Oh,
Jim.
decide who's
Bin
an
Hong.
alien, or just makes terrible
Bing
decisions.
Hong!
Uh-oh, it seems I've underestimated the alien virus's
How to
capabilities.
synthesize new stuff.
Aliens now have the ability to hack the prompts. When looking at their probe screen, an alien can select any human and secretly give them the alien prompt. To make things worse,
You want chicken or how do I get
aliens
chicken
can
for
help
you?
other aliens by secretly giving them
Go buy
the
one.
human prompt. I hope you got all of that because there's no way I'm repeating it. And don't forget about those alien hacks. A smart alien can make someone look suspicious by flipping their prompts.
Bing Hong!
Injil.
Sassy. Guys,
Push the
it's
fucking
him,
button.
guys, it's him.
Push it. Wait, still got one more,
We're on the
right?
clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
No! It's not me. I'm just stating some facts, yo. Teach you a lesson, man.
Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
It's my turn. So this Bing Hong being the sussiest bitch. And I'm gonna guess this other bitch.
Reporters.
What the fuck, two people only?
To draw. Drop the best you can because the alien virus will give our intruders a similar yet different prompt. On the
the
drop
fuck?
revealed, cast suspicion on any you find to be a bit off.
เดี๋ยวครับถ้าใช้ดูข้อถึงว่า
Humans were given this prompt.
2 เอง
Draw a mirror.
Go on, B.
Do any of
a
these
mirror?
answers seem suspicious?
Bing Hong, that's a selfie. It's a selfie. Xiang, what are you doing in the window?
Oh, window! Fucker, there's a mirror!
Lemau.
Alamak.
One thing is every one in the window.
Oh.
We're on the clock here, so let's keep it going.
Xiang's in the window and Bing Hong do a selfie.
The bioscanner
Lemao.
is now online.
What the
If the
fuck?
team you
That's
send
a
there
I dare you guys, I dare you guys. Go put 2 people in and scan me, okay?
If they're an alien. Okay, next captain, you're in
Confirm
charge.
it's not me, one. I think it's
Yeah.
This is the
I think it's not me.
bioscanner. Unfortunately, the virus has
You
got this
actually,
place pretty screwed
if
up.
your
Participants will
if your
see
thing not up
separate
to
alien glyphs
score
on
standard, right? You can just keep
The captain will
don't keep
only see
pressing it.
3
It doesn't
glyphs
matter.
and describe
I
them
feel you got
on
enough
map.
points to upgrade your
If
shit or
3
something like that.
glyphs
You just
are
keep
tapped,
pressing
the
next
captain
one.
can lock in. If
Oh.
the glyphs match, the test will pass.
So like if you need,
The
like example, it's not up to standard right now. You just keep pressing next and you don't stop. The objective can do later and you just keep pressing next to keep earning enough money.
Okay, it has
Yes.
a U on the top. Like a half U. Like literally 25% of a U.
And then
And then there's 2 dots in the middle.
Okay.
wait a minute. Okay, 2 dots, okay.
And left, right, there's like a... I don't know. I don't know how to
The
explain
next
that.
one. The next one.
That's all. And
Next
then
one?
okay. Next one is there's a dot in the middle again,
Okay.
and there's like a upside down U, but then it's connected to an L,
Y.
an L or Y, an L, a
And then is
capital
there 2
letter
dots
L,
on the left, right?
and then there's 2 dots on the left, right, and then there's a upside down V, and 2 upside down V actually.
To be honest, I don't get it.
I'm fucking confused, man.
I don't know
Can you
to split to you
repeat
better, bro.
Man, what the fuck?
Hurry up, we don't have time already. Tell me.
There's an upside
Wrong already lah,
there's
fucking
two-
this way.
There's two upside down V's, man.
What is two upside down V's? They call.
There is no two upside down V's.
Bro, you.
Okay. I don't know. There is upside down V's.
I
You
don't
know what?
bro.
You just press something, guys. Just press something, man.
Fuck it, bro.
Willie,
Wrong.
it's you, Willie. You sabotage.
Willie and Bin Hong.
V? See upside down V's,
That's
man.
suspicious.
What the
Maybe
fuck?
test
What the
your
fuck?
fingers next time.
One only, one only.
Okay, I'm gonna kick you out of this fucking shit, bro.
Dude, you didn't even explain correctly.
It's
What the
Willie
hell
and
was
Bin
that?
Hong. It's Willie and Bin Hong.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
Kick you off the ship. bro.
Where God? Willie, you were talking gibberish.
No. I've
What is
clearly-
2V, bro? That's
Hey, because like you understand what he was saying. Like you will understand what he was saying.
No, never mind. Just kick that out. Let me know already.
Bin Hong and Willie. Just push the button, man.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's confirmed Big Hong and Willie. Push the button. Big
Bro,
Hong
what
and
the
Willie,
fuck is
man.
this, bro?
It's Big Hong and Willie,
What is
bro.
2V, bro?
Check, since you were the one to push the button. Isolate the two creatures who are aliens and
Go,
press
David.
confirm.
Go,
See,
David.
first- Now the
I to be
non-isolated
honest, right,
Bye.
I actually don't think it's
If
Big
you
Hong
all vote
though.
yes,
I actually
and
think
these
it's
players are aliens,
Xiang and Willie,
then
though.
humans and more
Why Xiang
are
pula?
safe.
because
But
Xiang
if
been
one
quiet the
is
whole
human,
time.
then it's curtain
Pull Big Hong out,
raids.
pull
If
Big Hong out and
anyone
put
votes no,
Xiang
you have
in.
to go-
Quarreling, man.
Humans
get
received
it.
the following prompt. The volcano needs a sacrifice or it will blow. Who
Did
you
you
push
know what
in?
happened here? Yeah.
And
Grandfather.
discuss.
What the
Alien,
fuck, man?
the volcano needs a sacrifice or it will bro. Why do you push it?
Yo,
Who do you
grandmother,
push
what
it?
the fuck?
Willie, it's gotta be you, Willie. It's got to be you, Willie. You don't
Grandma.
push your grandfather into a volcano, bro.
Why did you
I
put your
don't know.
grandmother in? It's a question, bro.
The question was so random, like what prepare to defend it, that's
We're
all
on
I
the
get.
clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
Because he didn't receive this question, Big Hong, use your brain for once. He didn't give an
Big Hong and
explanation.
Willie.
It's him. I'm pushing the button.
Can we get it this time? This glitching is giving me a headache.
It's Willie. I'm so sorry. I love you. You sit beside me when we came up from planet Earth, but it's you.
You.
Lemah. I
don't
think
know.
baru ni. Oh, ya sia.
Okay.
The man's been too
time to vote.
quiet. Too quiet.
Bro.
没有啊，我在玩着红开 bro。Okay.
This is what an alien would say. Trust me, guys. Come on. We haven't even won once as humans. Come on. Just do it for
I
once.
can stream for you, yeah, fucker.
I don't know, bro.
Good luck, Minhong. You're gonna be covered with two aliens.
Randy, I swear to God, if it's you for the fourth fucking time, I'm going to vote you out on the first round, man.
No, Huey got a bit sus, I don't know. Everyone is sus.
I'm not sus, bro. Confirm got one alien one. Confirm one.
不是要讲来的，不是来的。
Yes.
真的是
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Billy, what the
Oh my God.
Bin Hong and not really, right?
Yeah, Big Hong. Why oh?
Maybe I seriously don't know how to draw this shit.
Humans saw was draw a crime.
Draw a crime.
He's fucking going into jail, is it?
Why is stealing item is this a crime?
Okay lah, fine lah. You're embarrassed, right? Big Hong, what the fuck are you drawing?
We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
It seems like you're just drawing a puddle and then it's yourself there.
It seems like you're very into this, Minhong.
Lemah.
Hey, the last time I accused you and unaccused you, you were the alien, okay? The last I unaccused you and you were the alien, Big Hong. So shut the fuck up. It's definitely you this time.
Next, Captain.
I'm not trusting you anymore.
And the prompt for humans was... An ATM gives you twice the amount of money you requested. What you should do is... on...
You know me, I will definitely keep the fucking money, bro. It's more like, really, why the fuck will you turn it in?
Why
I
not?
don't know, man.
It's not my money, bro. Yeah, bro. I have always had
Dude,
this
okay, fine,
generous.
okay, fine. This is about human personality, okay? I'm a greedy person. If Yap will answer this question, he would say keep it too, okay?
Okay, what's the question?
If ATM gives you twice the amount of money, will you keep it or will you turn it in?
Who give me twice the money?
Then ATM.
I'll definitely take it out, dude.
Exactly! Oh, shut the fuck up! You are the alien, Big Hong! You immediately accuse me!
Like fucking parliament. What the fuck?
You know what? We just let the people choose, okay? We just let them choose. Dude, who's the one who debated all of us just now? It was you, right? You know what? Let me just test you!
I cannot.
I cannot, yeah.
Cannot, they're fighting, they're funny.
Macam
Looks like Tom and Jerry.
Lembau.
Here's the prompt humans should have received. I can do an excellent British accent.
British.
What do we think?
Oh my god, this question doesn't do any help!
I hope you've chosen a team you can trust. Captain, I'm sending you the correct glyphs now.
Okay, the first
How
one
you
is
make me?
there's a one dot at the right, and then
One dot on the right.
it's a J on the left, and then
J on the left.
and then the upside down F. Okay, the second one is what is this? Dot on the left and the right, and then it's like a octopus logo like that.
Okay.
Okay, then the bottom one is like a cryptocurrency logo like that, but the bottom is like empty. I don't know.
Bro, what the fuck is a cryptocurrency logo?
What is
Randy,
the
give me
company
the
called?
correct thing! If not, they're gonna call me a fucking alien!
Okay, the third one first. The third one is like a soccer player using the fucking dick to hold the ball.
Ah,
Huh? GG! 我没有按
The
到
test has failed.
Yeah, like
I correct too!
yeah.
third one?
It said that's. I mean, like, I
octopus.
just follow what you
Is it
said.
an
Yeah.
octopus? I don't know.
Bruh!
Keep it going.
Randy, you
Explain that
suck,
shit.
Randy!
Wait, how do you explain that shit?
Alright, Randy and Big Hong 啦，屌你啊星啦！我跟你讲啊，如果不是 Big Hong 啊，我屌我懒觉啊，我跟你讲。
Yo, you sure or not? I will see you tiok eh.
Okay.
Yes, record it. Clip that shit, bro. Clip that shit, bro.
我掉我了脚。
掉了，这样我掉了一次哦，我再掉到一半，我跟你讲。
一咩啊？
User me.
The
The
writing
mouth.
again. You've got it.
Hey, Big Hong, might as well you just accuse everyone. How many people in this game only?
How the fuck do you explain the fucking logo?
Here is the human prompt. My favorite beverage is...
Toothpaste.
Go.
Big Hong，你喝什么蓝叫 Big Hong？你
Lemau.
guys, this man is the worst alien ever.
Bro,
Dia lihat toothpaste.
We're on the clock here, people, so
Dia
let's...
lihat toothpaste oh,
Hey,
操.
press the button, Xiang. Press the button.
Welcome to
It's you, Bing Hong. I'm not gonna let you go anymore this time, man.
Who's one
Randy,
more?
I have no choice because you and everyone else is pretty much the same. But you fucked up with the biohacking
Hey,
thing.
G-Bite! I don't know how to
you
explain that
gave me,
shit, bro.
you deliberately gave the third one. What kind of fucking crypto sign is that, bro?
No.
No, shut the fuck up. I'm gonna tell
Oh shit, we lost, man, guys! Binong is
Really, it's
winning!
all on you, Siang. It's all on you. Trust in your captain. Trust in your captain, guys.
Anyone votes no will have to go back to the main cabin.
我掉，我蓝叫，全部给我记录起来 ，record everyone record， 我蓝叫。
Binong is winning, man! Alien is
如果
winning!
冰红不是 alien 啊，如果冰红不是 alien， 我掉我蓝叫一半了，我再掉多一半。
Cannot you.
Oh my god, we lost, man, we lost! Oh my god, the human lost!
I cannot believe you two anymore. Just now 冰红屌高我。
Hurry up and
It's just a game, guys. Come on, just a game. It's just a game. Come on.
Bro, it's not me!
Yo, who gone? Unvote? What the fuck?
Oh, okay.
Bro!
Confirm is
okay, here we go.
confirm is Bing Hong.
Okay.
Confirm is Bing Hong one. Because Bing Hong still want to go and put other people inside, man.
Quickly.
I'm gonna say what's the fucking vote.
Okay, time to vote.
I don't care who's inside, as long as Bing Hong is inside. Here I am gonna say at the 32 second and 0.2 second mark Bing Hong 如果不是 alien， 我掉我蓝叫。
The vote passed.
Okay, oh.
Jalan lah.
拜拜。
是冰红来的。要讲，我 what the fuck 冰红？怎么可以一直背bro？
I hate you all.
Good job, really. Good job.
Budak-budak sekarang ni tak nak potong ke? Tak susah nak potong. Potong aja.
Abang, dah potong kan?
Of course. Murah je. Tok pun dah potong. Berbaloi.
Berbaloi-baloi. Berbaloi-baloi.
Potong je lah. Potong. Kau tunggu apa lagi? Potong je lah.